Bud? Mowgli didn't leave these to prove that he's a worthy member of our pack, which is more than I can say.
Ow, squeezing me too hard. You gonna take pictures, Rosie? Smile.
Over now.
Over?
Yes.
Oh, the movie.
Look.
What is that?
It's cartoon.
Oh, it's the TV.
TV.
Oh.
Over now.
What? Over? Hey, you don't have to turn off the TV. Don't touch.
Wow. That's it.
Wow, that's it.
Okay. See? Ta-ta, smile. Look. Wow. That's it. Oh, okay. That's not good. Okay.
How's the picture? Who's gonna take a picture of you if you put it by the TV?
You press this one. Press 10. Press 10 and you play this. 10 seconds. You say okay. Now, come here. Now, you press the button. Put it there. Press the button. Go stand over there.
No.
Wait, go stand over there. Come here. Wait, now it's counting. 10 seconds. You gotta. Oh, come on. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
No.
Do it again. Okay, pause the video. Let her do it next time. Her turn. I want you to do it by yourself. Well, I got the first 10 seconds first.
What? Look good.
Press the clock there. No. No, put it down.
Okay, go. Come over here, Rosie.
Okay, press it.
Come over here. Stand here.
Just go, press it and run. No.
Okay.
Okay.
No, not over here. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Go over there by the couch.
Press timer. No. Press timer first. This one.
Okay.
Timer. And go up. Okay.
Okay, run over here.
Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go?
Look at your legs. Again, go.
No. You're better. You do it better. Okay.
Okay.
Now, where are you gonna sit? Where are you gonna go? Where?
Billy.
Okay.
You gonna go over here with me?
Okay.
Okay. Let me see. Wait. Let me see. Move. I can't see. Okay, now you can run to daddy. Okay. Okay, run, 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 run.
Any more funny poses?
What's it got?
Okay, put it down for now. Let me figure out how to make it timer set, like automatic set.
Mommy, give it to me, please.
So timer.
Give it to me. Mommy.
Wait, I'm setting it for you.